everyone. Welcome back to GenAI Mentor. This is Rafi, GenAI Mentor. Today we have something really exciting to share with you. So I have my co-host Srija. Hi Srija, welcome.
Thank you, Rafi. Hello, folks. And we are going to dive into a very interesting topic on Claude CLI, a game changer for all the developers who want to code faster and smarter. Rafi, I know you've been coding for so many years. Why do you prefer this?
Yeah, say I have been in the IT industry for more than 30 years. So I have done coding in different languages. But one thing I want to say before we used to do task manually, we need to write line by line. We need to think and create files, structure it. But now the way we code in AI era, especially with Claude CLI, so the assistant is there available for you in the terminal, available for you sitting next to you. It's like a senior developer or a experienced developer sitting next to you, waiting for you to take any task and do it without any procrastination. So that is the beauty. So I've been doing some videos, but in this video, we are going to tell a beginner uh, how to start, because so far the videos I have posted are all doing it, but not explaining really how do you start. Yeah.
So we'll keep it very beginner friendly, but trust me, even if you are an experienced developer, you will learn something new. So without any ado, let's dive in. So, all right.
Yeah.
So first question for you, Rafi, why exactly is this Claude CLI? Why do you think the developers should use it? And why do you think the viewers who are watching this video should look at this video?
Yeah, say now there are different things, say GitHub Copilot and maybe multiple options are there, right? So what is CLI first of all? CLI is a command line interface. So Unix developer will understand the terminology CLI means. So what is Claude CLI? So CLI is command line interface, right? So Claude CLI, Anthropic introduced first the CLI mode of operating development. So that allows you to open any command prompt and then give a prompt and it will think, plan, and then do it for you. So you don't need to open a file and then select a line of code and ask a prompt, but you just give it's like assigning a user story to a developer. So you just give a prompt. It could be simple prompt or a complex prompt or building a complete application from the scratch. So it will, Claude CLI does the context engineering. That's the beauty, and then it does a prompt engineering and it does the overall orchestration flow. So it will plan like a technical architect for architecture and design. Then it will code like a senior developer, and it will plan. If you give an epic, it will break down into stories by itself, and then it will create a to-do list, and then it will work on one by one. We'll see that in action. So
Wow.
that is a fantastic thing that I've seen that happened in the last few months, which is changing the world. So we'll see that live demonstration. We will make you, how can you build your first project with Claude CLI in this session.
Wow, that sounds really, really amazing. So it does not just give you a copy paste code, it basically thinks like a senior developer, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's more than
I
it's
can't
a combination of product owner plus a senior developer and tester, and it's all persona all in one. Yeah.
I can't wait to see that demonstration in action.